world's your oyster. But can you stomach it? From the Arctic to the Amazon, Earth's diversity is staggering. Nowhere is this more deliciously apparent than in our food. Join us on a journey to 10 captivating cities, each a vibrant tapestry of culture, history, and cuisine. Prepare for the strange, wonderful, and baffling world of unusual food challenges. Chapter 1, Paris, France. Escargots. Slimy yet surprisingly sublime. Ah, Paris, the city of lights, the city of the love, where snails become culinary delights. Don't let their appearance deter you, for these creatures, bathed in garlic butter, are a testament to French gastronomy. Can you savor the delicate, earthy flavor within? In a city known for romance, dare to love escargots. Chapter 2, Tokyo, Japan. Dancing squid, a culinary kraken awakens. Next we journey to the neon-drenched streets of Tokyo, a city blending tradition and technology. Amidst sushi bars and ramen shops lies a culinary curiosity, the dancing squid. Served over rice, it springs to life when doused in soy sauce, its tentacles writhing in a macabre ballet. Chapter 3, New York City, USA. The Cronut, a culinary colossus. Our quest takes us to New York City, a melting pot of cultures and cuisines. Amidst pizza slices and hot dogs, the Cronut reigns supreme. Your challenge? Conquer this colossal confection in all its sugary glory. Chapter 4, Rome, Italy. Trippa alla Romana, a Roman offal odyssey. We arrive in Rome, a city of history, where ancient ruins whisper tales of emperors and gladiators. Our focus is on a culinary challenge, Trippa alla Romana. This traditional dish features tripe, the cow's stomach lining, stewed in rich tomato sauce. Title: Sydney, Australia, Vegemite, an acquired taste down under. Next we find ourselves in Sydney, Australia, famed for its iconic opera house and laid-back charm. Beneath this sunny metropolis lies a culinary enigma, a spread so divisive. It's a national symbol, Vegemite. Your challenge? Spread a thin layer on toast and take a bite. Title: Cape Town, South Africa, walkie-talkies, a crunchy crawl through Cape Town's cuisine. Our culinary adventure takes us to Cape Town, South Africa, a city of breathtaking beauty between mountains and sea. Amidst vibrant markets and bustling restaurants, you'll find a local delicacy with an unsettling name, walkie-talkies. No, not radios, but chicken heads and feet, often deep-fried to crispy perfection. We arrive in Barcelona, Spain, renowned for its stunning architecture and vibrant art scene, and of course its delectable cuisine. Beyond tapas bars and paella restaurants lies the unique calcotada tradition. Rows of calcots, a type of green onion charred to smoky perfection over an open fire. Grab a calcot, peel back its blackened exterior and dip it into rich romesco sauce. Our journey takes us now to Dubai, a city that rises from the desert sands like a shimmering mirage. Amidst the towering skyscrapers and luxurious malls, you'll find the camel burger. Leaner than beef and with a slightly gamey flavor, camel meat is a sustainable and delicious alternative. Will you embrace the spirit of adventure and try this unique desert delicacy? We find ourselves in Rio de Janeiro, a city pulsating with life, where the rhythms of samba fill the air and the beaches beckon with their golden sands. But we're here for a different kind of feast, churrasco. Imagine skewers laden with succulent cuts of beef, pork, chicken and lamb, all grilled to perfection over open flames and brought straight to your table. Pace yourself, my friend, for the parade of meat shows no mercy. Our final destination is the tranquil island of Bali, Indonesia, a paradise of rice paddies, temples and beaches. Amidst this idyll lies the world's most expensive coffee, kopi luwak. The secret? Civets eat coffee cherries, digest the beans, and the beans are collected afterwards. Our culinary journey around the world has come to an end, and I hope you've enjoyed this glimpse into the strange and wonderful world of unusual food challenges. Travel is about more than just seeing new places. It's about opening your mind, embracing new experiences, and challenging your taste buds. So next time you plan a trip, step outside your comfort zone and try something new. You might just discover your next favorite food.